Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in today's session we are diving into a fascinating topic, permutations. Permutations are all about arranging objects in a specific order, and they are incredibly useful in math, computer science, data science and every problem solving field. So let's get started. So the number of permutations of and different objects taken r at a time, that is denoted by p and r, and is equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus r. And we will see an example now. So arranging three objects out of 5, that would be p 5 3, and that would be equal to factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus 3, and that is 60. That means if there are 5 objects and you are taking 3 at a time, so there would be 60 arrangements. Now if repetitions are allowed, so you will have n raised r arrangements. So here in example, arranging two objects from 3 with repetitions. So that would be 3 raised to, and there would be 9, you can say that, arrangements. Now if objects are identical, so the number of permutations of n objects where p objects are identical, that would be factorial n upon factorial p. So suppose that you have root. So there are two words which are identical. So you will have factorial 4 upon factorial 2 arrangement, that will come 12. Now the number of permutations of n objects where p1, p2 till pk are identical, that will have factorial n upon factorial p into factorial p2 p factorial p1 factorial p2 till factorial pk. Now let us see an example. If there are word Allahabad, so there are 4 A's and 2 L's. So number of arrangements would be factorial n upon factorial 2 into factorial 4, and that will be 7560. See that here formula would be factorial n upon factorial p2 pk. We have already learnt this one. Now let us see another example. Let us institute. So there are 2 i's and 3 t's. So again the number of arrangements would be factorial 9 upon factorial 2 into factorial 3, because there are 9 words in institute. Let us move further, and if you want to get more resources like post, videos, PDF, quizzes and simulators, you can visit www.postnetwork.co. For videos and playlist, you can visit YouTube channel. For a post and videos, you can visit Facebook page, and you can also connect to LinkedIn page of PostNetwork Academy. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.